This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Scott Wells. Seller will not complete any repairs to the subject property, either lender or buyer requested. The property is sold in as-is condition. This property is eligible under the Freddie Mac First Look Initiative through midnight October 30, 2020 for owner-occupants and midnight November 16, 2020 for investors. FMFL means that seller will not accept or negotiate offers before 11/1 for owner-occupants and 11/17 for investors.MOBILE Home sold with no TITLE.Great level lot. Close proximity to access spots on Watts Bar Lake.Mobile Home could be rehabilitated or moved to bring new home in. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Wells at 865-687-1111.